Hello children, today we will discuss a poem, I have noodles in my nostril. So we all like different types of food, but imagine someday something will happen that your mother has served food for you and you are feeling sleepy over there. What will happen? In this poem, which is written by Ken Nesbitt, the poet has explained his experience about the same situation when his mother served chicken soup for him and he fell asleep on the table while having his lunch. So let's see what happened. I have noodles in my nostril. Nostril means this part of nose. I have noodles in my nostrils. I have noodles on my nose. There are noodles on my cheeks and chin and dripping down on my clothes. So here the poet says what happened one day when he was eating his noodle and he was feeling sleepy, or he felt asleep. What happened? The noodles fell on his nostril, then nose, cheeks and chin, and not even that, it dripped over his cloth also. I have got more upon my forehead. Some things were on his forehead, some are sticking on my neck, and some noodles were sticking on his neck. It's completely disconcerting. Disconcerting means disturbing. It's completely disconcerting. I am noodles covered Rick. It means when he saw the noodles was on his nostril, nose, cheeks, chin, on his neck, on his forehead, all over the clothes, it was disturbing him and he was feeling uncomfortable. He was not happy at all. Then he said, I can see them on my kneecap. Kneecap means the front part of the knees. I can see them on my knees and I know they are in my shoes. And he says, I can feel that it is on my inside my shoes also. When I stand, they are somewhat squishy. And how did he come to know? When he got up from his place, some soft, squishy means soft and wet feeling. So that feeling, he felt that kind of feeling from the shoes, and ooze. Ooze means coming out or come out. And I feel them that start of ooze. It means afterwards he also felt that the noodles were coming out from his shoes. Then he said, what he said? There are several in my pocket. He is feeling that some noodles are there in my pocket also. There is a handful in my hair. Where? In his hair also. And I am pretty sure that some are even in my underwear. So he felt that something is there on my hair also, and some noodles were there in the pocket also, and that he had a feeling that something went inside his innerwear also. So the poet says, don't try to do what I did. And he is suggesting people not to do the same thing which he did. I am total nincompoop. Nincompoop means a silly, foolish or stupid person. A silly person, a foolish person, or a stupid person. So what he said, try to do what I did. Don't try this. I am total nincompoop and I feel asleep at lunch. And why he said so? Because at the lunch on the table he was sleeping. When I feel asleep at lunch while eating chicken noodle soup. And at that time what he was eating? He was eating chicken noodle soup. So this is the poem. This is the meaning of the poem. I hope you all have understood the poem. So till then, goodbye. Again we'll meet with some new lesson. Bye bye.